This video will show you how you can convert a still image into a video in Canva. So for this, you first need to select the image that you want to convert and then click on edit. Now here in the Magic Studio section, you need to scroll horizontally and select this image to video option. Now as you can see, this is how it appears. I can simply click on this add to design and my image is converted into a video. I can then download it as an MP4 or a video file from here. There's also another way to do this. So for this, you'll need to select this image and then click on edit. Now here you will need to click on this magic grab option. Now it will automatically detect the subject, which in this case is the car itself. Select the car and then click on grab. Once it is selected, I can go to this animate tab and then choose this breathe option. I can then increase or decrease the scale. So as you can see, the scale is now increased and I can then download this as a video file. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.